Hello dear friend, welcome to my channel. And in this video I'm gonna share with you how you can turn off friend request notification from your BeReal app. If you think that you will get a lot of friend request in BeReal app and you will get a lot of notification again and again and you feel disturbed, then you can easily turn it off. So how can you do this? Just follow my step, then you will learn. Here you can see the BeReal apps. Just click on this, and after this go to your profile. Just click top right corner, and here is your profile. So again click top right corner, the three dot, and after that you'll get the option notifications under configurations, this one. Just click on this, and after that the third one. Okay, at BeReal we give you control over push notifications, so they'll give you opportunity. So just click here. In default it's on, so just simply click on that and it will be turn it off. And after that, from now you will not get any notification from if someone add you or request a friend. Okay friend, I hope this video is short and simple for you, and today is no more. Please consider to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this tutorial.